Hey, exciting news. Samsung's pushed out the One UI 8.5 Beta 3, your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So we're going to go over in the video what's new, what's been added, and see if this is right for you. So let's get started. Samsung's pushing out the One UI 8.5 Beta 3 today, Monday, January 5th. This is the third beta for One UI 8.5 for the S25 Ultra. We're going to go over the update in this video. We're going to go over, a lot of them are bug fixes. So we'll go over what those bug fixes are. We're going to check out updates to some of the Samsung applications. If we scroll down here, we can see that the update is 1 GB, and it does bring us the January 1st, 2026 security patch, which is super cool. It's always good to have your device updated with the latest. If I haven't said it, Happy New Year to everybody. Happy 2026. So we're going to go ahead and restart the device and then we'll jump into the video. Okay, so while the device is booting up, if you haven't jumped into the beta and you do have an S25 Ultra through T-Mobile or Unlock, you can do that by jumping into the Samsung Members application, clicking on the beta banner, which I'll show you once this boots back up, or you can check out the video up here. I've done a complete walkthrough. That will allow you to check out the newest updates that are coming to your S25 Ultra. Now, this should be released with the S26 Ultra in just a few weeks here. So here's what we have coming with the new beta. Like I said previously, there's a lot of bug fixes. We'll go over those in just a minute. Anytime that you update, you want to make sure that you jump into your Galaxy Store, update your applications before you get started to make sure that you have everything updated so that's all going to work on that latest update. So we should get a little message here. It's just rebooted. Let me go ahead and just pop in my pin here. We'll let that restart. And then you should get a little pop up here in just a minute that will say that you're on beta software. Please keep in mind, beta software is just that. It's beta. It's for testing it out. I wouldn't advise using this as your daily driver unless you have another phone, maybe if you have a backup phone. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we are getting with the new update. So as you can see, if we jump into the Members application, you can join the beta program here. So if you click on that beta banner, it will show you One UI 8.5 S25 beta. If you click on that, we're going to jump over here to check for software updates. This is where it goes out and it will do any updates if they're available. Once you join the beta, you'll download those software. It's finishing right now in the background. So we'll go ahead and there we go. Here's our little notice. We're on beta software. Click on that again. Oh, we'll just wait a minute. Okay, so the device is finished doing the update. We've rebooted and it's done everything in the background. So this is One UI 8.5. This version ends in ZZA3. Bugs that have been fixed is it fixed the clock display error on the clock screen. So if you were having issues with your clock, which I was also having this issue where the adaptive clock was not working, that should be fixed. We'll take a look at that in just a minute. We have the resolved the issue related to favorites in the phone app, fix the issue where now briefing does not display, improve the screen lagging issue when using live effect in the gallery, improve the issue of high power consumption when a specific app is running, and enhance the visibility of the search button on the widget edition screen. So we'll take a look at those. Once again, this does have our January 1st, 2026 security patch. So let's go ahead and take a look at the first one. So the clock, if we jump into the lock screen here, you can see that the clock right now is just a regular clock. So before, what was happening, and I believe this has been fixed, yes. So now the adaptive clock is adjusting. If you go ahead and press and hold down on there, you can go ahead and edit this. And what was happening is if you click on the clock and you would move it, see how it is adjusting here. Before, it would just jump back to the normal clock. And so you would not get that customizations. You can also see that new weather that they brought in the One UI 8.5 beta. So you get the weather on your lock screen here. So it looks like they have fixed that, which is super cool. So if we go ahead and let's just lock the phone, you can see it just goes to a standard clock. And then when you interact with it, it shows that adaptive clock. Let's see, next up, let's go ahead and take a look at the favorites. So in the phone application here, you can see there's a little message that says your favorite contacts now appear as cards. You can change to list view in the more menu. So I believe in the previous beta, and I didn't look at this, but I believe that you only had just the cards. So now you can go in here and view as a list. If you want to change that back, you should be able to go back into our settings and view favorites as cards. So you have the ability to change between that. In the previous version, I believe you just had the cards. So it looks like that's what they're talking about there. Let's go ahead and jump into the Galaxy Store real quick before we go any further and see if we have any updates. So if you go into your Galaxy Store, you hit menu, and then you hit updates here. Let's see what we have. Doesn't look like we have any updates to any of the Samsung applications. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the versions of Samsung applications. So we're going to look at the gallery, the One UI home, One UI lock screen. We'll also check out the camera. So let's go ahead and check out gallery first. So prior to the update, the version was at 15.8.0049. So let's just go ahead and go into our gallery here and see what version we have. So if we scroll down, we can see that we did get an update. This is at 15.8.00.59. So there's an update to the gallery. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at One UI home. So we're just going to go and press and hold down on here. We're going to go into settings. We're going to scroll down, and we're going to look at about home. So previously we were sitting at 17.5.00.151. We're now at 17.5.00.169. So we do have an update to One UI home. Let's go ahead and take a look at the lock screen version. And we'll go ahead and go into lock screen. We're going to scroll down, go to about lock screen. So previously we were at version 8.9.32.6, and we're now at 8.9.32.14. So there was an update there. Go ahead and check on the next application. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the camera application. So we're going to go ahead and just press and hold down here, and let's see what version we are at here. So previously we were at version 16.5.01.14. After the update, we are at version 16.5.02.6. So we do have an update to the camera as well. And let's go ahead and check the phone application. We did see that update, and with the cards and the list view, let's go ahead and scroll down here. And previously we were on version 16.2.00.8. We're now at version 16.2.00.16. So we do have updates to those Samsung applications, which I was expecting to see. It doesn't look like we have any new features. If you check out the video up here, I went over the new features that were added on the One UI Beta 1 and Beta 2. One of the super cool features that we got on Beta 2 is in camera, we got the ability to use the dual record and single take, which is baked into the camera assist. So if you haven't seen that, you can check out that video. But that looks like that's all we have. Let's take one quick look and see what brought to us with the latest update with the January 1st, 2026 security patch. And so if you want to check that out, you just swipe down, you're going to go into your settings, you're going to go down to about phone, you'll go into software information. You can see this is Android 16 and it's on One UI version 8.5. You scroll all the way down here, you can click on that Android security patch. That takes you to the Android Security Bulletin Board. Click on Bulletin Overview, and then you can go ahead and select your device. So we're going to hit Samsung, and we'll see if it lists out anything that was brought to us. So it doesn't look like, let's see if we can go, yeah, 2026 is not showing up here yet. So we don't know what was brought with the January 1st, 2026 security patch. Hopefully that'll get updated in the next few days. I assume we'll see some updates there. We'll see if there was any critical, high or medium updates for security. If you're enjoying the video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel and click that bell notification so you're updated when new videos get uploaded. As always, I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.